Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful, today's topic of our discussion is material noun. What is material noun? Material noun is a type of noun that is acting as a raw material to make other things, from which other things are made out of. The content of this lecture include definition, example, rules, summary, practice questions. The first part of our lecture include definition. Material noun are the names of materials or substances which are used as a raw material for other things. They are tangible, concrete noun, not an abstract noun because it can never be perceived. Material noun can be perceived, can be sensed. These are tangible and these are concrete noun. Material noun are an uncountable nouns. Here are some examples of uncountable noun that are also an example of material noun. For example, petrol, gold, coffee, water, honey, wool, rock, iron. Here are some other examples. For example, bag. Bag is made up of leather. Leather is acting as a raw material to make bag, so it is an example of material noun. Plastic. Plastic is used to make cup, so plastic is an example of material noun. Examples include natural, plant-based, animal-based, and man-made products. For example, gold is obtained from nature, so it is an example of material noun. Man-made product examples include chalk. In spite of this, cheese, breads, etc. are an example of material noun. Animal-based products that are acting as a material noun include milk. Milk is obtained from animal, so it is used to make so many other things, yogurts, cheese, etc. It is an example of material noun. Wood is plant-based product. It is obtained from tree. It is also an example of material noun. So examples can be plant-based, animal-based, and can be obtained from nature and can be man-made. Here are some other examples. Cheese is made from milk. Here milk is material noun. This cupboard is made up of wood. Here wood is material noun. The ring is made up of gold. Here gold is material noun. Some other example include this chair is made up of wood. Here wood is material noun. This box is made up of cardboard. Cardboard is material noun. Bricks and cement are used to make this house. This house is made up of bricks and cement, so these are also an example of material noun. This book is made up of paper. It is an example of material noun. Leather and plastic are also an example of material noun. The next part of our discussion include rules. Here are some rules that are followed while using material noun. Uncountable noun are considered singular. They have no plural form. They always take singular verbs. They always exist in singular form. She purchased 3 liter milks. Milks is an incorrect. In this sentence, we will use milk instead of milks. She purchased 3 liter milk. He drank too much coffee. Coffees is an incorrect word. In this sentence, coffees is plural form and it always exists in singular form. He drank too much coffee is correct sentence. The second rule that is followed while using material noun include we don't use a and an article before material noun. She bought a cloth to stitch a shirt. It is an incorrect because here a is used before cloth, but that is material noun. She bought cloth to stitch a shirt. Ritu takes a honey instead of sugar. Here a honey is an incorrect word that is used in this sentence. Ritu takes honey instead of sugar is correct. We don't use a and an article before material noun. The third one rule is determiner like little, a little, much, some or any are used before material noun. We don't use few, a few. before material noun. The summary of this lecture include material noun are the names of those nouns which are raw material to make other things. They are tangible, they are uncountable, they do not have plural form, they do not take a and an article before material noun. Determiner like little, a little, the little, much, some, and any are used before material noun. For example, there is little water in the bottle, there is some water in the bottle, there is not much water in the bottle. Is there any water left in the bottle? If I use instead of this, there is few water in the bottle or a few water in the bottle, it will be an incorrect sentence because few and a few can never be used. Examples include man-made, natural, animal-based, and plant-based. Man-made include butter, cheese, ghee, semen, cloth, juice, and drinks, etc. Natural examples include metal, salt, rock, air, water, clay, snow, coal, gold, sunlight, etc. Animal based examples of material noun include milk, wool, silk, leather, honey, meat, and plant based examples include cotton, oil, jute, wood, coffee, sugar, tea, timber, rubber, etc. Key point includes these are the name of material which are used to make raw material and other things. Material noun are uncountable. These are the noun which can be measured. They do not have plural form, always exist in singular form, and they do not take a and an article before them, and they do not take a, few, and few before them. They always take determiner like little, a little, the little, much, some, and any. Material noun, in a short way, material noun are the name of material which are acting as a raw material to make other things. Now get ready, it's time to practice the question that you have learned in this lecture. Each sentence contains a material noun and an object made from it. Circle the material noun. For example, is the chalk made from rock? Here, the rock is an example of material noun. Thanks for watching to all of you. I hope that you will be able to learn the whole discussion.